Welcome to our quick guide on navigating intersections safely. Intersections can be tricky, but if you are equipped with a set of good habits, you can get through them smoothly and safely. Let's explore some essential tips to help you drive confidently and avoid potential hazards. An intersection is a point where two or more roads meet or cross. Intersections can vary in design and complexity, and they're a critical part of road networks because they manage the flow of traffic from different directions. It's crucial to scan the area for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Remember, stop signs and traffic lights are there for a reason, so obey them without exception. For the most part, when approaching an intersection, you must get in the habit of following a simple routine. This involves using your turn signal early, yielding to pedestrians and vehicles, and obeying traffic signs or signals. It's always crucial to scan the area for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Yielding appropriately helps maintain smooth traffic flow and prevent collisions. And remember, traffic on the through road usually has the right of way, so stay alert and proceed with caution. Never assume others see you. It's essential to communicate your intentions early. That's why drivers should use their turn signals at least 100 feet before reaching the intersection. This gives everyone around you enough time to react, improving communication and safety on the road. Take your time, stay aware, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Remember, Safe Roads Driving School emphasizes that safety is our first lesson. By following these tips, you contribute to safer roads for everyone. Please check out our other drivers' ed videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.